My name is Aura Lucrecia Murcia Cortés. Charfor Lextal. Let's talk about my experience. What is the most visited places or tours in Chartres-sur-City? The most visited tour place in May City, at 11 years before the stories, the piers, Fair Park, the Nakur Water Park. The use sightseeing and on your light checks one walks the most interesting place visited. Yes, when I travel the past Jeriporo, I had the privilege of visiting the Mille Moines sur Reser. It is this small place which is the Tal Nikunsi Sifir Kachama Mujurs Tordex the different signs in days and their teachers, the monument to different Birmen, Nomanpat, the Bex, to Ball, Eastern Tex, the place, Plovet in Ami Spirit, very nice, that you can buy soaring, defendant of animals. What ways the moms in Spain's placed visited in your city? The most experiencing placed at visited in my city was beneath full place Cown Kenwex where it the self hamburgers. Ever made a new friend on I don't care like can stand. Yes, the Sir and your Werner from the box, the airport, or busy mall my mother, it churchan on that when picked the can. He was missing two thousand pences and he had not noticed when it went to head off elbows and gears. Who had just got on she have me too thousand in was being embarrassed bull el hextun she had with me half very nice during el trip be start talking and before gente of we exchange number from Cherewet Ket in towns Cheren Resinkan Extal tanks and different hunting of with exchange number from Terewent Ken in towns Chirensinten kan Tonjopal and invite er two loans of me half. Why was the cheaper place visited in Luton City? The cheaper place I has been visited and May City has enduring with the fire tal thousand it is tough Berkut when fight the bidding front close to face for the home in places. Thank you.